Welcome to the Artes181 Academy video guide for reviewers of an academy. This video will demonstrate to you how to manage your team's training. During this video, you'll cover how to log in, how to create a development action plan or DAP, and find out about the useful analytical tools that are available to you. To access an academy, you need to enter your allocated web address using the .artes181 suffix. Do not use the prefix www. In the center of the screen, enter your username and password in the fields provided. Don't worry if you've forgotten your password. Use the Forgot Password link and a new password will be emailed to you. When you select Login, you'll enter your academy in the My Teams page. Within your academy, you'll see your company logo and branding. In the center of the page, you should be presented with the team and team members that have been assigned to you. If there are no team members shown, you'll need to contact your academy administrator. If you want to discover what the other features are on the home page, take a look at the first user video guide, which explains what they are. To the right of your team members' names, you can see the status of their skills analysis and the type of DAP that's been created. There are two methods of creating a DAP, which you will find out about in a short while. You're able to view a member's DAP by selecting the bold type in the DAP column. You can also edit a member's DAP by selecting the edit icon at the end of the text. You'll discover how to do this later in the video. As a reviewer, you can create a DAP by using the skills analysis method or the allocate training method. You can choose a team member you want to create a DAP for by checking the box next to their name. If you want to create the same DAP for all the team members, check the box next to the applicable team. The skills analysis method is a powerful tool that requires a skills questionnaire to be completed. The team member will select their level of competence against a skill. There are 4 levels to choose from. Level 1 is rated from no understanding or experience to Level 4 has extensive practical experience. When you select this method, an email is sent to the team member requesting them to complete the questionnaire. When the team member has completed and submitted the questionnaire, you'll receive notification that the questionnaire requires reviewing. Either you or another reviewer can then complete the questionnaire about that team member. Doing this allows you to see if the team members' competence levels match with what you feel they should be. Once you've completed the questionnaire, the DAP will be calculated. Before you send the DAP to the team member, you can review it to ensure the correct level of training has been allocated. If required, you can make changes by adding or deleting courses. When you're happy with the results, it can then be sent to the team member for them to start their training. The second method is to use the Allocate Training option. This allows the reviewer to view all the programs and courses and select the ones you feel are more applicable for that team member. The top level shows the programs. These have a collection of courses with a common theme. All the available courses are listed below the programs. Checking a box against a program reveals all the associated courses. These are indicated by a grey tick in the checkboxes. These cannot be removed as they form part of that program. The courses contain assets. An asset is the method of delivering training. This could be a multimedia session or in some cases an e-book. Clicking the plus icon will reveal the amount of assets assigned to a course. To select an asset, check the box against the ones that you wish your team member to study. The different types of assets are explained in greater detail in the second user video guide. At the end of the page, select the Create a DAP option. This will now allocate all the chosen training to the team member. The team member will now receive an email informing them that a DAP has been allocated. When the team member logs in to the Academy, all the programs and courses will be visible on their home page. They can now start their training as directed in their study program. At some point, you may wish to edit a team member's DAP. This is done by using the Edit function on the My Teams page. Select the Edit DAP icon to open the Edit page. This is the same as the Allocate Training page you saw earlier. In this view, you can now add or remove programs and courses by checking or unchecking the boxes. A word of caution: any changes made to a DAP, or if a new one is created, any previous versions of a DAP are reset. They can still be viewed using the DAP history option. If you simply wish to review a DAP for any team member, click on the bold text. This then opens the review table. In this view, you can see their progress, when they last accessed an asset, and view their assessment scores. This is a handy way of keeping track of someone's progress and sending a reminder if they're a bit behind or their assessment scores are a little low. As a reviewer, you have an option to view your team's progress in one snapshot. Select the Team Report option. When the report page opens, select the plus icon next to the team you wish to review. On this page, you can see your assigned team's course progress and assessment scores. Selecting the plus icons next to a team member expands the allocated courses for that member. You can now see a detailed view of their progress. You also have the ability to create an Excel spreadsheet by using the Export to Excel option. This is handy if you're required to pass on the data about the team member to somebody else in the reporting chain. Another option available to you is the Course Report facility. This option allows you to collectively view the progress of team members that have been allocated the same courses. If required, you can expand any of the team members, allowing you to compare the progress of each individual. A handy way to make sure everyone is on track to finish at the right time. As a reviewer, you have some really useful tools to ensure that the correct training is allocated to your team members. This video demonstrated to you how you can use the tools to monitor your team members' progress and manage their training. You were shown how to create a DAP using the skills analysis and allocate training methods. You were also shown how to edit a team member's DAP using the edit function. The video also demonstrated the analytical tools available to you. These included the Team Report option, a way of monitoring your team's progress in an easy-to-view online format, with the option to export the results to an Excel spreadsheet. The Course Report option, which enables you to view the progress of team members that have been allocated the same course, allowing you to analyse their training progress and compare assessment results.